Hello and salutations. One of the most interesting features of Microsoft Excel charts is the default chart feature. The feature allows a user of Microsoft Excel to create a worksheet chart with the push of a key on the keyboard or an embedded chart with the push of two keys. When Excel is installed on a computer, it sets the clustered column chart as the default chart. So what happens if the user wants the default chart to be the clustered bar chart? That question is answered in this video, along with how to determine which chart is the current default chart. So let's get started by determining what is the current default chart on this installation of Microsoft Excel. One, click inside the data set. 2. On the ribbon, click the Insert tab. 3. On the Insert ribbon, in the Charts group, locate the Chart dialog box launcher. 4. On the Insert ribbon, click the Chart dialog box launcher. 5. On the Insert Chart window, click the All Charts tab. There are two things to notice. First, the window opens to the column charts. Second, observe on the left pane Excel selects the columns category, and on the right pane the clustered column chart. This indicates that the default chart is the clustered column chart. Let's cancel the window. 6. Click the Cancel button. Now that we know that the bar chart is not the default chart, let's look at how we can set it to being the default chart. 1. Click inside the data set. 2. On the ribbon, click the Insert tab. 3. On the Insert ribbon, in the Charts group, locate the Chart dialog box launcher. 4. On the Insert ribbon, click the Chart dialog box launcher. 5. On the Insert Chart window, click the All Charts tab. 6. On the All Charts window, on the left, click Bar. The different types of bar charts appear in the right pane. 7. On the right pane, right-click the clustered bar chart. A context menu appears. 8. On the context menu, click Set as Default Chart. Since there's no reason to create a bar chart right now, let's cancel the window. 9. In the lower right corner of the window, click Cancel. The default chart is now the clustered bar chart. Let's see if it actually is the default chart. One, select some data for the chart. In our example, let's select the cells A1 to D5. 2. On the keyboard, press the Alt key and the F1 key at the same time. In this short tutorial, you learned about setting Excel's default chart to a bar chart. First, the video demonstrated how to determine which Excel chart was the program's default chart. Second, you learned how to set Excel's default chart to a clustered bar chart. Most of the time, individuals set the default chart after determining which chart is the current default chart. Finally, the video demonstrates how to verify that the default chart was correctly set. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. As always, best wishes.